In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word. If you've ever finished a document and realized readers might get lost without page numbers, this is a quick fix that keeps everything organized and professional. First, make sure your document is open and you're ready to work. Look toward the top of Word and click on the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps tools that add elements to your document, like pictures, headers, and of course, page numbers. Once you're in the Insert tab, find the Page Number button. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with clear choices for where the numbers can go. You'll see options like top of page, bottom of page, and page margins. Pick the location that best suits your layout. Top of page places the number in the header area, bottom of page puts it in the footer, and page margins puts the number along the left or right edge. After you choose a location, Word instantly adds page numbers to every page in your document. It's automatic, so you don't need to add them one by one. If the style you picked doesn't match your document's look, don't worry. You can open that same page number menu again and select a different built-in style or placement. Word will update all the pages at once, so it's easy to try a few options and see what looks best. You can also fine-tune the appearance by selecting the number and adjusting its font size or alignment to better match your formatting. A clean, consistent look helps your document feel polished. Choosing the right position depends on your content. Reports and essays often use numbers at the bottom center, while some layouts look better with numbers at the top or in the margins. If your text or images come close to the margins, a top or bottom placement keeps the number visible and out of the way. Once you're happy with the placement and style, you're done. Your entire document now has page numbers applied consistently and automatically. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the Insert tab, open the Page Number menu, and adjust the placement or style again. That's it. That's how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word quickly and cleanly. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.